So I was watching this video with Richard Gage. He's using this model of the World Trade Center and he's demonstrating that the falling block, if it has anything underneath it which is offering resistance, it's just going to stop.
This is going to show that we have what amounts as a virtual free fall speed, unimpeded, as I'm dropping the 15-story building over nothing at all on one side and over a 95-story building on the other. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, the one that had no resistance under it falls at free fall speed. What happens over here, the one that has 80,000 tons of structural steel on it? It doesn't even give. It resists and is met by an equal and opposite reaction known as the conservation of momentum. It doesn't fall.
So this made me wonder, could we apply the same reasoning to World Trade Center 7? After the middle bits of World Trade Center have fallen in, the exterior of World Trade Center 7 collapses at what looks like free fall speed. How is this possible? The exterior of World Trade Center 7 consists of a large number of structural steel columns, so you'd think there'd be quite a bit of resistance as those columns impacted the ground. So what's going on here? So I decided to follow Richard's example and I made two scale models of World Trade Center 7 out of cardboard. The model on the left, I'm going to simulate zero resistance by dropping it essentially into a large hole. The model on the right, I'm going to simulate blowing up the bottom few floors just by raising it up the distance of a few floors and then dropping it to the ground. World Trade Center 7, hole in the ground, take 1. As you can see, it falls at free fall speed and disappears into the hole in the ground. This exactly matches what we saw on 9/11 with World Trade Center 7. World Trade Center 7, destroying the bottom few floors, take 1. It starts to fall at free fall speed then, and it stops. It stops when it hits the ground. It's quite obvious what's going on. The exterior columns in the skin of the building are offering resistance. So when the undamaged portion of the building hits the ground, it instantly stops. This proves that the collapse was caused by a hole in the ground, and not caused by controlled demolition. A hole in the ground.